let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay, well, I need to learn how to draw the section, elevation, plan and side plan. And we can start with the side plan.
For example, what is the side plan? What is the plan? What is the elevation, section, etc. First of all, I want to listen you. What do you know about side plan?
Actually, I told you before, like side plan is a bird eye. We are just looking at the top of
like bird eye, yes.
Yeah, we are just looking at the top of the building, and we are drawing what we see. It's basically we see the roof.
Yes. Because
it's covered the building. It covers the building
with other buildings. Yes.
Yes, and the other buildings next to the main building, and maybe trees and the car area, the garden maybe in the side plan.
Yes, level differences, levels,
Yes.
And as you said, parking areas, green areas, and as you know, in our country we have a lot of rules to design and build buildings.
Yeah.
According to rules, you should move back your building from road, from street, for example, and you should show in your site plan this distances between the areas, and from building to area, from building to street. You should show the dimensions, for example. And for example, let's think this area is our general area. This one is street, right? This is other area, for example. And in this area, we have some rules, as I said. For example, this one is first moving back line. This one other lines. According to Turkish building codes, you should design or you should build your building inside this area. When we look at general plan, for example, as you said, we are showing more details in our general plan. Of course, by the way, for example, this one is section, ground, first, second, and basement. When we talk about floor plan, we are talking about a section line. For example, this one is third floor plan. There is a section line like this. We are cutting building like this, and we are looking down.
We are dividing high 3 pieces, and we are looking up to 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's on the side plan and the plan. We should show. Yeah, we should show in everything, like in elevation
section and the other.
That's the main thing.
Okay. We are choosing our scale rate according to size of our buildings. For example, we can have very big sizes buildings. To show all details of the building, we should choose, for example, big scale.
To show the details, more details. We are focusing on the floor. We are focusing on the building.
Yes. Then we are putting like this plan, like this. For example, plan and elevation. We want to see at the same time.
Okay.
But if we have different scales between them, we will mix them.
Okay.
Yeah. Drawings, and at the same time we are using levels to show level difference between floors. And sometimes, of course, we will have roof top of our building, and we should show its level, top level, for example. And we are showing the levels between 0 and the other levels. For example, like this, we have 3 floors building. This is zero level, and this one first level, second level, third level, and top of the roof. Yes, we should show them in section. And when you look at the section drawings, you can understand the position of building according to their heights, elevation on facade. How we will protect our buildings according to winter condition, for
Yes.
example. We want to show them. We will use detailed sections, system sections. And of course, another drawing perspective. There are a lot of different perspective rules. 2 points perspective, 1 point perspective, and axonometric perspective. Some of them, of course, as an architect, we understand our building 3D.
Yes.
We can design building. When we design plan or the other drawings, when we draw, we think 3D.
Yes.
But our customers, our clients, don't understand,
Sure.
of course, because they don't have architecture education.
Yes.
They want to see the building 3D.
Mm-hmm.
If you show to them 3D, they can understand. There is an entrance, there is a windows, and my building will look like this.
Mm-hmm.
So we need perspectives, and also we need perspective for ourselves to understand our building. In the past,